Hi, second graders. Today we're going to begin working on our second personal narrative. In the first cycle, you wrote your first personal narrative. You learned that personal narratives are true stories about small moments in a person's life. To help you generate a topic, you thought about people or things that were close to your heart and different memories that matched emotions you felt. Today, we're going to start with lesson 1, mind dump. The objective is I can brainstorm a topic for a personal narrative. Turn to page 25. So a mind dump is another strategy for you to help you think of an idea of what to write about. First, I'm going to empty my mind and write down whatever I'm thinking about on paper. Okay. Well, right now I'm thinking about our fava bean plants. And when I'm thinking about fava beans, I'm also thinking about gardening. I just planted my fall garden recently, and gardening has been on my mind a lot. Let's see. When I'm thinking about gardening, I'm also thinking about my backyard. My husband and I have been spending time in our backyard trying to fix it up and make it feel good. In our backyard, our cat Hummingbird loves to go in the backyard with us. But since she's an indoor cat, we hold her in our arms or put her in a cat backpack. That reminds me of cat backpack. And sometimes recently I've been having her come on a walk with me in her cat backpack. That makes me think of walks that I take in the evening. And when I'm taking walks, I'm sometimes listening to podcasts. What else is on my mind? Well, I'm also thinking about chores that I have to do, like laundry and dishes. Those always seem to be waiting for me. Okay, I've sort of emptied out what I thought was in my mind at the time. Now, the second thing I want to do is choose one of these ideas that sort of stood out, keeping in mind that I could potentially be writing about this topic. Okay, well, I've been thinking about gardening a lot, and I'm thinking that would be a fun topic to write about. Okay. The third thing I want to do then, after I choose one of these moments, topics, is then to think about some moments that happened around, in this case, gardening. So let's see. One thing that's coming to mind is a couple years ago when I first grew sunflowers, I enjoyed watching my sunflowers blossom. Something else I'm thinking about gardening is, planting from seeds. I've been experimenting and I've been starting to plant from seeds versus a starter plant. And another thing I'm thinking about with gardening is the time that I found these white bugs in my soil. Okay. And I'm going to stop there for today. So students, today you're going to do 3 things. 1, empty your mind on paper. 2, choose one of these ideas that you might want to write about, circle it. And 3, brainstorm moments that you've experienced related to your idea that you chose.